my lovies, welcome back to my channel, Beautifully Made. I am sporting a band-aid today, just in case it distracts you. I had a pretty bad paper cut, so I will let it is. In this video, I will be sharing with you 6 different ways to style your faux locks. I'm all for protective styling these days, and I love to switch up the look when you have protective styles in. In this video, I'm really excited to partner with LOVIES. LOVIES creates handmade products made for natural hair by women entrepreneurs in Ghana. For this video, LOVIES gifted me with a satin-lined head wrap turban that I will feature in 3 of the looks today. And with that said, let's get started. For the first look, I'm using the Lomax designed head wrap turban. There's also an elastic band in the back of the turban to ensure that it stays secure on your head. So for this first look, I'm going to position the head wrap turban over my twist for a very easy and chic look. What I like about the black satin lining is that it prevents friction between the cotton fabric and your hair, whether it's your natural hair or faux locks in this instance. So that means no more frizzy hair. Less frizzy hair is awesome when you're dealing with natural hair. Creating a look with the turban is pretty much effortless because the head wrap turban is pre-tied so that you don't have to tie it. For our second look, you're going to position your locks to one side of your head. Next, just pull on the head wrap turban. Then twist the locks into one large chunky lock. Don't worry about keeping it neat. It's okay if you have loose locks. The slightly messy or effortless look is pretty much the natural look, so you're going for that. And there you have it, a really simple but cute look that you can rock anywhere. So now for the third look. So the first thing you do is place your locks into a low and loose ponytail. Tuck under the ends of your locks. Then allow the locks to gather inside of the turban as you slowly adjust it up and over your head. Continue to tuck any remaining locks inside the turban. Pull the front part of the turban up higher on your head to cover the top of your locks. The elastic band at the base of the turban allows for it to stay fit and snug on your head. And there you have it. On to look number 4. First, take a chunk of front section of locks on whatever side of your head you prefer. Braid the locks into a loose and chunky braid. Then position the braid across your forehead and secure the end of the braid with a small rubber band so that it's hardly noticeable. Take the remaining front portion of your locks and twist it around to combine it with the remaining locks in the back. You're going to form a low ponytail. Use a regular hair tie to secure this ponytail. Now you can totally stop here and rock this really fun look. Or you can take it a little step further and create a more elegant or polished look with an updo. This is going to be our 5th look. So you take the locks hanging from the ponytail and simply twist them around to create a bun. As you twist the locks, you tuck them under to secure any loose ends. Place a hair tie over the bun to secure it. Remember to tuck in any remaining loose ends inside of the bun. And voila! There you have it, a really simple, nice, elegant updo. For our 6th and final look, we're going to go for more of a fun or funky updo. Split all of your locks over to the front of your head. Then pull your locks up into a pineapple, which is just a high, loose ponytail near your forehead. Secure it with a hair tie. Before you bring the locks all the way through the hair tie, tuck the ends under, creating a really messy bun. It's okay if you have loose locks. You actually need them. Take a larger section of these loose ends and make a twist. You're going to curl the twist into a smaller bun in the opposite direction or behind the larger bun. Then tuck in any other loose ends under the hidden hair tie of the larger bun. Easy breezy, you've created an elongated, funky bun extension that is perfect for any event. Alright ladies, that completes my 6 different styles with faux locks. You guys know I am an easy detailed girl, so hopefully you'll be able to incorporate that in your next hairstyle. And thank you again for Lovies for providing me with this awesome turban. If you would like to purchase, you know I've got a discount code for you. Look in the description box to find out the information. And if you'd like to know who did my faux locks, I love them by the way. That information will be in the description box as well for you to check out. She is my cousin and she is Atlanta based, FYI. If you have not checked out my new website yet, do it. It's so amazing. It's a beautiful life, and I'll include the link in the description box. Of course, it's all down there. Take a look, and I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah, 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 mwah. Bye.